There goes Patrick. You like it, Patrick?
Uh-huh.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay, hustle up. Let's go again.
Yeah,
Is there water on that one?
yeah, there is. I'm trying to climb up it.
Okay. Careful so you don't get all dirty.
I can't get up here.
Oh, go the other way then. Use the stairs.
No, I want to use this.
All right, big boy. Was it fun?
Yeah.
All right, 2 more times. Hustle up.
I got it. I like it. Or her like this.
Uh-huh.
To be.
Are those your John Deere gloves?
Yeah. Look at me. See?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
It's good at holding.
It's good at holding things. Okay.
Okay. So Mark is at go, and John Deere tractors go.
On your mark, get set, go. John Deere tractor. Nice.
Okay.
Ready to go on the tractor?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's done.
Okay.
Go that way.
One more walk. Come on. Yep. Up on your tractor. Let's go for a walk.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna go for the other slide.
What other slide?
The purple one and red. I'll show you what slide it is. Okay?
Which color was it?
The red one.
Okay.